I found these adorable little mini croissants, and I thought those would be perfect with a chicken salad. I have StarKist Chicken Creation Chicken Salad, and poultry and cranberry just kind of have this symbiosis. So I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of whole cranberry sauce. So let's go ahead and get this opened up. There's no smell to this one at all. The bag says it has dill relish, celery, red pepper, and a unique ingredient. Let's see here. Nothing's jumping out at me. It just tastes like regular chicken salad. There's a little tiny bit of crunch from celery, but I'm gonna be dicing up some more and adding it as well. Get this out of here into my bowl. Because this one is a salad, it is much creamier than the other flavors I've had. Add a little bit of this cranberry to it. I'll be using the rest of this for baking purposes. Leftover celery stick here. Nothing goes to waste. So get this diced up right quick. Go ahead and put this in the bowl. Because I'm not getting any of the brine off the dill relish that's in here, I'm gonna go ahead and add some capers. Get all this mixed up here. Quick little taste test. I personally am not a fan of cranberry at all, unless it's baked into something, but this works so well together. This is gonna be enjoyable. The sweetness of that cranberry, the crunch of the celery, that little bit of brine off the capers, and then the chicken itself, just everything mixed in together came out perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this onto my little mini croissants. And then I'm topping each one with a few little leaves of fresh spinach. Just like that. And there we have our quick chicken salad lunch or light supper. For more ideas of what to do with these amazing little packets, I created an entire freebie for you of every brand, every flavor, and ideas of what you can do with it. The link for that is down in the description. And for more of this journey, check out this playlist. Remember, cook for one, have some fun, and waste none. I'm gonna go have lunch, and I'll see you in the next one.